With the current economy, it's important for people to keep track of their money. For those that haven't filed their taxes yet, there's a couple new laws for the 2008 filing that might help them out. The Heroes Earning Assistance and Relief Tax Act of 2008, or HEROES Act, lets combat pay be treated as earned income for the Earned Income Credit. Before this, military members couldn't use their money used in a combat zone towards their yearly income, so their total income wasn't enough to qualify for the Earned Income Credit.
For men and women in the armed forces, the combat provisions are particularly important because it allows members of the armed forces in combat areas to realize benefits that they otherwise were being denied.
A new law for the general public has to do with first-time home buyers. The revised first-time home buyers credit allows those married couples filing jointly who bought a home for the first time in 3 years an $8,000 credit if the taxpayer remains in the home and it is their primary residence for 3 years.
Home ownership is something that the government likes or the government wants to see more of, and so that's why it's taken this step.
Some other changes are an increase in the maximum amount someone can earn and still claim the Earned Income Credit, an increase in the mileage rates for driving a vehicle, and a future tax deduction for purchasing a new car. Filing taxes can be complex, and if there is a specific situation out of the norm, then getting a second look is probably recommended. Air Force Sergeant Jeff Howerton, Langley Air Force Base, Virginia.